Guys, this is Chetan from Gizmo Times and we are live from MWC 2018 and this is the Nokia 7 Plus, the Android One phone. So basically Nokia's recent phones after the Nokia 3 are all with Android One program, and this Nokia 7 Plus is a good mid-range phone coming with the Snapdragon 660, and after coming up with the 16:9 displays in 2017, Nokia has finally shifted them to 18:9, and so you're getting a 6-inch 18:9 display on the front of the Nokia 7 Plus. On the back is a dual lens rear camera, and what you see here is a 12 megapixel plus 30 megapixel camera setup with the second one having a telephoto lens. The side frame on the device comes with a gold finish, and what you see on the bottom is a USB Type-C connectivity, the speaker grill as well as the microphone. On the right are the power and the volume rocker buttons. On the top is a 3.5mm headset jack. On the left is the slot for the SIM cards and the microSD card, and on the front is the 6-inch IPS display with the 1080x2160 pixels of screen resolution, that's full HD plus resolution. The phone comes with the octa-core Snapdragon 660 chipset, and there are two color variants. This is the second one, the white one, which looks quite sleek and very good because of the fingerprint sensor and the cameras having that gold ring. The fingerprint sensor is located on the back just below the rear camera setup. Getting into the about section, this runs the Android 8.1.0, and with the Android One program it is sure that the phone is going to get regular Android updates. Not that Nokia wasn't working on Android updates, because so far most of the Nokia phones have got regular OS updates, and that is a good thing, but the Android One has its own advantages. These are a few gestures that are included inside the phone's interface for a better user experience. And since this is stock Android, you don't see a lot of pre-installed applications apart from the basic ones, that's the Google Play apps, but then there's Google Pay pre-installed as well. Getting into the storage, about 14.15 GB storage is used out of 64 GB, and thus almost 50 GB is what the user is going to get, and there's 4 GB of RAM alongside this. In the display settings you see the night light option, adaptive brightness is there as well, and then there's the auto rotate screen option, and there is the tap to wake, the double tap to wake the display, which shows the ambient notifications and the time and date widget. There's also this on body detection. On the back is this camera that pops out from the back, and this is a dual lens camera setup. Getting into the camera application, this is the 1x 2x. So when you opt to 2x, it switches to the secondary camera, which gives you a 2x optical zoom. And for a quick capture, it does look good with the colors, but then this is a very bright artificial light setup that is being done here. And what Nokia features in most of their phones is this BOTI, or the taking advantage of two cameras together, where the dual mode would give you a half screen of the rear camera and half screen showing the front facing camera, and this is helpful when you have a group that is being captured on the front and you are behind the camera. There's also this picture-in-picture mode where the front facing camera's screen is shown in a small place and you can move that around. Now getting into the resolution for the video recording, the front camera can capture up to 1080p videos with its 16 megapixel resolution, while on the back there's 4K video recording that is possible with the 12 megapixel camera that is given here. There are a few other options as well on the settings area, and apart from what you see here, this is the 16 megapixel front facing camera, which looks quite good with what it shows here. There is face recognition as well as the mirror mode when you take selfies. We'll take a quick selfie to see how good the quality of that is, and as you can see here, even on zooming in, the picture looks quite good, and the selfies with the 16 megapixel front facing camera are good in quality. So this was the Nokia 7 Plus that was launched here with the price tag of 399 euros, which is quite high, again about 32,000, but then I'm sure this might be again priced a bit lower when it comes to India, and still this phone has a lot to offer when compared to the other phones that were launched today, except for the Nokia 8 Sirocco, which is a flagship device coming with the Snapdragon 835 and the stainless steel frame on the sides. So this was all about the Nokia 7 Plus. Stay tuned for more videos from the Mobile World Congress 2018 and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching.